那个太可贵了，不理。
That's not right at all. Sharper Walter is slammed into the wall.
He's got around most of them. He's going to get Coronel into corner one. No, he's not. He's going to be in trouble. And Barbara is shoved out wide. No. So is Daste. Well, 3-4 Seats got together. And this is Barbara's camera. He picked up the place. Safety car's going to be coming out. I think there's cars everywhere, John. And that's a much worse incident than race one.
The guy who designed this first corner.
O'Donnell behind him, the BMW in 4th position. And at Abbey, on towards Bridge Corner, ex-Grand Prix driver Julian Bailey is
Liz like, oh my God,
Tony Newman in trouble. I don't know what's gone on there. That is a huge job. Very lucky to keep it away from the walls now. His team manager. Now here's another look at it. Boy, oh boy, lots of air.
Lucky not to dig in and actually send the car over.
Po raz 17. Druga eliminacja rajdowych samochodowych mistrzostw Polski. Na starcie Marek Sadowski z Maciejem Hołujem. Ruszają pełni nadziei. 5. odcinek specjalny. Koniec pierwszego etapu prawie. 200 metrów, 300 metrów do mety. I w tym momencie do tragicznego zdarzenia. Zdarzenia, które wstrząsnęło wszystkimi. Koziołkujący samochód zabija 2 osoby. Są ranni. Kierowca i pilot wychodzą prawie bez szwanku. To przestroga i dla zawodników, i dla kibiców.